So Spice just created dancehall history by dropping 3 videos in one day. The first video is called Hooku Wine, which is a mash-up or a medley of Hooku Wine and Couple Up. Here's a clip.
To take my man away from me, I told that say knock a bumbo cat over my body. I know how to wind my waist. I wash, cook, I clean my place. Me confidence say me own my man, so me now no time to come trace. I say no girl can't get my man. You must see mad no girl can't.
Here's a clip of Couple Up, which is personally my favorite.
Me happy and me sure car. Me and me man start with this smooth rush. You know like put together it hurt you but hush. Both of your man but a me in a rush. Party go up and a kiss tender touch and dance and a couple up and party pick up pull up and man to man everybody couple up.
Here's the third and final video, which is Robot Wine.
Never tell us say your pum pum solid. Wine and a bend up like a robot. Girl you know order all like a slut. Robot wine and a move the butt. Wine and a bend up like a robot. Wine and a bend up like a robot. Girl you know order all like a slut. Robot wine and a move up the butt. Wine and a bend up like a robot.
I love Couple Up because Couple Up is taking me back to the old school Jamaican days where the woman and the man them used to rub a dub up in the club, and it used to be like woman and man segment a dance, and the video was well put together. For me personally, I wish that Couple Up had its own video by itself, but the medley and the mashup was really good also. You can tell that the dancers were well choreographed and the music video was on point. Okay, I had no issue with the music video. And Spice is doing her thing in dancehall. You have to give props where props is due. She's doing her thing, and she's also making a lot of these dancers the forefront of these music videos, because you can see most of the dancers are repeated in all 3 of her videos, and big up to Spice for that, because she's actually out here busting dancers while putting in work. And a close second as far as favorites is concerned is Robot Wine. And if you guys didn't know, Robot Wine was created by Dancing Rebel herself. That's one of Spice dancers that flies everywhere she flies. And Spice just made a song for that specific dance that her dancer came up with. I love the video. The video have the whole outer space vibe with the mall area where they did the dance, and maybe because I'm a nerd and I like outer space stuff and aliens and all that, I really like that video. It's very different. I have not seen anybody in dancehall done a video like that at all. So props to Spice for actually coming with originality and creativity as far as these 3 videos are concerned. And all of the video them, the quality up, the choreography up, just everything was perfection in her music videos. And she dropped 3 of them, not 1, not 2, but 3. Tell me which dancer artist you know dropped 3 video in one day. And she's working in a male dominated arena as far as dancehall is concerned. So tell me which man in a dancehall dropped 3 high quality video in one day. None. Nobody. Me no know do that yet. The next song is Hooku Wine, and Hooku Wine was created by TC, and she's the leading lady in this song right here. She is the one that says, "My name is TC and I am going to take your man." She's the one that created that dance, and she's the leading lady, and that goes to show how selfless Spice is, because Spice gave somebody the leading position in her own song. So big up to Spice for that, and big up to TC for creating this dance. It has the whole African feel and the whole African dance vibe to it, and the choreography was amazing also. And I like the whole intro to the song and the whole acting portion of this song also. So big up to Spice for that, and big up to TC for actually creating the dance and doing her. So Couple Up is personally one of my favorite songs. So go on Spice official Vevo page and comment that you need a full song for Couple Up, or go on her official Instagram and demand a full song, because personally that's my favorite one. And if that's your favorite one too, do the same thing. Let her put out the full video for Couple Up. Miss Grace Hamilton is out here doing her thing. She has solidified her spot in dancehall as the game changer as far as the stage is concerned, and she's also the queen of dancehall in my opinion, and also the people's opinion. So comment in the comment section and tell me which video was your favorite, and tell her also which one was your favorite on her Instagram and Facebook page. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and go to her official Vevo page and view all her songs and show her some love. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Deuces.